Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Test yourself. Sound matching activity. Let's look at the top of your page where it says, match the word which start with the same sound. We are going to match two words that start with the same beginning sound. Let's read all the words together. Ready? Sparrow, toy, ice, uniform, leaf, umbrella, sun, lion, tree, iron. Now listen carefully and let's find the words that start with the same sound. 1. Sparrow. What sound does it start with? S. Match it with sun. Yes, both start with S sound. Sparrow, sun. 2. Toy. Starts with T. Match it with tree. Great. Same starting sound. Toy, tree. 3. Ice starts with I. Match it with iron. Perfect. Same beginning sound. Ice, iron. 4. Uniform starts with U. Match it with umbrella. Yes, uniform, umbrella. Both begin with U, but sound is different. Still matched in activity. 5. Leaf starts with L. Match it with lion. Yes, leaf, lion. Good job, kids. You just matched all the words based on their first sounds. And now, for the second activity. It says, color the picture and match with the correct letter. Look at these pictures. Rabbit, table, strawberry, umbrella, and the letters S, U, R, T. Let's match them. S match with strawberry, U match with umbrella, R match with rabbit, T match with table. Great work. Remember, kids, we are learning how to listen to the first sound of a word. That helps us read and spell better. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a sound matching superstar.